Usually, easy problems are a good way to learn something. I've actually found for the chain rule, if you work a really hard problem, you get into the rhythm of it and you get the rule. We want the derivative of sine to the fifth of cosine to the eighth of e raised to the square root of log of x squared plus 5 all to the eighth. Here we go. The outermost function of all of this is the fifth power. So the first stage of this is to say 5 sine to the fourth of blah, 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 times. Next part is sine. That's the outermost thing of what's left. We're peeling it like an onion. Derivative of sine is cosine of cosine to the eighth, e to the square root, blah, 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 times. The third piece is the eighth power. So that's 8 cosine to the seventh of e to the square root natural log x squared plus 5 to the eighth times cosine becomes negative sine e to the square root natural log x squared plus 5 to the eighth times. We get to the e. The derivative of e to the blah is e to the blah. E to the square root natural log x squared plus 5 to the eighth times the square root. We get 1/2 of natural log x squared plus 5 to the eighth all to the negative 1/2 times. The natural log gives us 1 over x squared plus 5 to the eighth times the eighth power gives us 8 x squared plus 5 to the seventh times, finally, the derivative of x squared plus 5 is 2x, and that's it.